This is the best, most accurate and simplest scalping strategy you can find. The easiest way to make money and increase your balance. This scalping strategy works on all currencies. Stay with me to explain this easy and simple strategy to you. First of all, choose your symbol, then set your time frame to 5 minutes to get the best results. Then go to the indicator tab and search for Gaussian channel. Now go to its settings and change it like me. First, make sure that the source is set to close. Then change the poles from 4 to 2. Now go back to the indicator tab and search for RSI Histo Alert Strategy. Go to its setting in the Input tab. Change the RSI period from 13 to 14 and the RSI Histo Modify from 1.5 to 2. Don't forget to go to the Style tab and change the histogram to columns. It's that simple.
Buy setup.
When the area on the Gaussian indicator is green and the candles are above the middle line of this indicator, just check the RSI. If the columns are also green, you can place your buy order and set your stop loss below the Gaussian indicator. And risk to reward ratio is 1 to 1.5. Let me give you some examples so that you can learn everything clearly. If you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments.
Sell setup.
As you can see, the Gaussian indicator shows a red area. The candles are below the middle line of this indicator, and the RSI also shows red columns. In this case, just place your sell order and set your stop loss above the Gaussian indicator. And risk to reward ratio is 1 to 1.5. Let's see some examples together so that you can understand the topic clearly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment and ask your questions. See you in the next video. Goodbye.